Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best cut-proof gloves that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Schwer cut-resistant gloves for meat cutting. To begin this review is the Schwer cut-resistant gloves. The manufacturer claims that the materials used are 10 times stronger than the leather material. To make sure that you get the best fit, these gloves are made in an assortment of sizes. Other than making sure that you are safe, these gloves also bring you ultimate comfort. Being FDA compliant, these gloves will be safe even when coming into contact with food materials. The construction of these gloves also will make sure that they serve you for the longest period possible. Since the gloves are wrist adjustable, you will appreciate that they will bring you the best comfort. You can also rely on these gloves for a wide range of uses. Moving on at number 4, we have the MECHANIX WEARS MMPC 91009 gloves. The difference that these gloves have from the other gloves is their touchscreen-enabled design. You will therefore not be required to take the gloves off to operate your touchscreen device. These gloves have an EVA foam padding to make sure that your hands remain as comfortable as possible. You will also have the convenience of selecting your ideal size from the many options available. Their D30 palm padding will effectively absorb and also dissipate energy for convenience reasons. What's more, it will be very easy to maintain and clean these gloves since they are machine washable. You do not have to worry even if you are shopping under a limited budget, since these gloves come at a very affordable price. At number 3, we have the FORTEM cut-resistant gloves, level 5 protection. Durability is one of the main attributes of these gloves. They are made with a combination of high-quality materials for the same purpose. Since these gloves are machine washer safe, you will appreciate their ease of cleaning. You will also appreciate that these gloves actually offer you the best grip regardless of the size of your hand. With these gloves also, there is an endless list of possibilities. You can use the gloves in the kitchen, the garden, among other places of work. Provided that you purchase the right size, you will be able to use these gloves both on the right and left hand. Again, there is guaranteed customer satisfaction, so you ought to buy with confidence. At number 2, we have the MaxifLEX 3-pack cut-resistant gloves. What is popularly known for these gloves is the ultimate comfort and protection that one gets. The selection of its materials is excellent since breathability is guaranteed. Other than having the cut resistance feature, these gloves are made to withstand heavy uses even when used on a daily basis. With the many size options available also, it will be easy to get your right fit. These gloves are also recommended for those individuals who will be shopping under a tight budget. If you are also looking for gloves to use in the dry working conditions, this one will be the best pick. They fit so perfectly with so much dexterity to make sure that you are comfortable all through. And finally, at number 1, we have the Dowellife cut-resistant gloves. The high-performance material used in making these gloves will be one reason why you will want to buy these gloves. It has a level 5 cut resistance certification and is 10 times sturdier than the ordinary leather material. The excellent comfort, as well as dexterity, will make sure that you get the most flexible operation, which is not too hard or slippery. Cleaning and sanitizing these gloves will be a very simple task since they are machine washable. Again, the manufacturers have produced these gloves in multiple sizes where buyers choose. What's more, the price is very friendly even for those individuals who shop under a tight budget. With the many positive reviews this product has online, it is clear that this is something to rely upon. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.